Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by and visiting today. I have a new foundation wear test for you and review, so if you are interested on that, just carry on watching. And if you are here for the first time, I hope you enjoy what you see and you'll consider to join the family Julia's Bee Beauty. So thank you in advance if you'll decide to do that. I think 1 month ago I've been contacted by the company Micillo and they asked me if I want to try their foundation. So let me tell you a few things about the company. I'm just going to read them from the website. They have created the Forever Flawless Foundation, which is a full coverage foundation that lasts all day long without feeling or looking too heavy on the skin. We decided to devote all our time and energy into one product and make it the absolute best. One thing which I found is really nice is that they have splitted those in several kits, and each kit contains 3 foundations. So I got to choose the light kit. So they have the fair kit, the light kit, the medium kit, tan kit and rich kit. So 10 shades and 5 kits. So all the shades are inter-splitted. The price for a single foundation, if you decide to purchase one foundation, it's $24.95 US, and if you purchase the kit, it's $44.95. So basically you get the 3 foundation for the price of 2. So also they have shared with me a discount code, so it's only for my followers, and I'm going to put it in the description box, sorry. So you get 20% discount on already quite affordable price foundation. Those being said, I would like to invite you to see the application portion of the video, and then I will come back with my final thoughts. Even though I'm planning to do a 2 days wear test, and also by the end of the day I will insert a short clip with how my face is looking after I have been wearing for 8 to 10 hours. So right now I have 1 hour since I have applied the foundation and I don't see any change, but I'm loving everything. FYI spoiler, so yeah, if you want to see more, just carry on watching. Alright, we are ready to test the Micillo foundation. And as I told you, they sent 3 shades. Actually, it was the fair kit, the one that I choose to get. The fair kit contains the shades 101 Porcelain, 102 Nude, and 103 it's Warm Peach. I haven't even opened them. I'm curious to see which one it will match me. By the way, this is the actual packaging. To get a full ounce, which is nice. I managed to swatch them. So this is the Porcelain 101, this is 102, and this is 103. I tend to believe that I am the shade from the middle, but I'm going to do the test and see. Yeah, the shade from the middle, it seems more appropriate for me, even though it's a bit warmer. I think it also slightly oxidizes, so that's the reason it's warmer. Or I can combine them. I have 3 shades. Alright, so we are going with the shade 102. And as always, I'm going to use a brush for one side. Oh my god, it spreads like a dream, even though the brush is also good. We have to give credit to the BK Beauty brush 101. It's very spreadable, I will say, so it's easy to spread it either with a brush or with a sponge. This is by E.L.F. I'm getting almost instant coverage with this product. For concealer, I have an idea. I'm going to use the lighter shade. Why not? Because it's quite thick and has a lot of coverage. This is perfect for concealer. Wow. Julia, you are a genius. Sometimes. It does a really good job for concealing under eye area. Just a short close-up. I will now go off camera to put the rest of my makeup. I'm going to set everything with the Nude Illusion setting powder. I do not change powders when I do foundation review, at least as of now. When I will finish this one, I will be needed, but I don't want to add too much makeup because I want to see how the foundation acts throughout the day. So far I have a very dewy. In the same time, I feel that the foundation has set, is not tacky, so I can either go without setting it out, but I'm going to do that. Maybe I will do no setting test tomorrow. So the under eye area and the face are set. This is very good for setting powder. Of course, I'm not going to use it only for that. Now I'm going to apply bronzer, but just a little bit. I forgot to say, but I don't really feel that it's much difference between applying with a brush versus beauty sponge. I feel that it's almost the same thing. So yeah, whatever method you want to do, it's okay. I'm going to do my eye makeup. For that, I am going to use my BK Beauty palette, the True Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to come back. Alright, this is the final look. I love how everything has married together on my face. So for the bronzer, you already saw that I have used the Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow. And for my eyes, as I mentioned, I have used the BK Beauty True Beauty eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. I'm absolutely astonished every time I'm using this palette. I'm thinking why I cannot find this formula in other shadows, especially the shimmery shades. They are not exactly shimmery, they are like satin, very buttery, and they do not emphasize any line that you have on your lashes. So I have used the purple mostly for my lid, the shade called Kate. Returning to our foundation, I can definitely tell that the shade 102 is my perfect match, and I'm going to continue to use this for my under eye area, or I can mix it. Sorry, this was the shade 102, or if I mix them together I can get a customized shade. And probably the shade, where it is, the shade Warm Peach, which is the darkest shade. I'm going to keep it to use it for summer. And also because I have started to tell you what I have put on my face, on my eyes, I tried to use those of colors gel liners to drag a line, and it's not working perfectly because it's more like a drier formula, so more waxy, I can say. So I went and used this Marc Jacobs gel liner. I'm going to have everything listed down there, including the shades, because sometimes it takes me a long time to find them. Then I have used the eyelash curler to curl my lashes, and the Loreal Volume Million Lashes Mascara. And to continue with my lips, I have used the Marc Jacobs Le Marc in the shade Infamous. This is the final look. As of now, the first impression regarding to the Micillo foundation is that I am very, very impressed. I want to say that I haven't tried in a long time a foundation that can work as well being matte, full coverage. I stay away for this kind of products, but it looks like a second skin. And the concept of the company is that instead of developing more products, they have focused to do one product and to do it right. And I can see that even dry skin or normal skin can wear this foundation because it's matte, but it's not, how to say, it's not settling in my fine lines, in my pores. It looks flawless. I love it so much so far. I'm going to use it tomorrow. I don't think so that I'm going to do a wear test. Maybe I will come by the end of the day to show you what it looks like. As of now, I'm loving this foundation and I'm happy that I got the chance to try it out because I do love foundations. I'm a foundation junkie. After 8 hours of wearing, I thought the foundation looked very nice and I only get a tad oily on my forehead. It did not settle into my fine lines and it looks nice. So I don't need any touch-up as of now, so I have a feeling that it will also look nice without a actual setting powder. Hey guys, this is the second day of testing and what I did today, I have applied the shade 102 from the MICCILO foundation and I have just added a light thin layer and I think it looks even better. I have the E.L.F, the Camo hydrating concealer and I think it has blended well with the foundation. I have set that one, but I did not set the foundation. The only thing that I did, I have added a bit of this Persona Cosmetics bronze and I tap it with my finger and that's it. I will not add powder and any other blush and bronzer, and let's see what it will look by the end of the day. It's even earlier, it's 9 AM when I'm recording this, so I'm giving it a 10 to 12 hour wear test and see how I'm going to look by the end of the day. I think that after wearing it for almost 12 hours, it looks amazing on me, considering the fact that I did not set it with powder. So I don't know if you can tell, I am oily on my forehead only, and I'm dewy but very, very natural glow, healthy glow on my cheeks, so it's incredible. I am definitely loving the MICCILO foundation and she gets a big thumbs up from me. So let me know what do you think about this product. A special thank you to MICCILO for allowing me to try this product and for sharing this discount code for you guys. I hope you are going to try it and love it as much as I do. I want to wish you all to have a fantastic day. Don't forget the most beautiful and natural makeup for your face. It's your own smile. Bye guys! Mwah.